Hello, in this video I want to show you the AI features that you should know on HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. Alright, let's open up our settings. Now scroll down until you find HUAWEI Assistant. And in here I'll show you all of those things that we have. Let's begin with the AI voice. Down below we have the voice wake up and we have possibility to launch the Celia using our voice. We can enable that. If you are doing it for the first time, you'll have to record the wake up phrase. I'll show you how to do it. I will re-record it. And now we'll have to say the sentence that will appear on the screen. Hey Celia. Hey Celia. Hey Celia. Hey Celia. Alright, you can see that everything has been recorded successfully, and in here we have some suggestions what we can do using the AI. So for example, we can make a call, play some music, send a text message, or ask how's the weather. Let's click on done. And now when I will say the sentence, the AI will be launched. We can also enable to wake it up with power button. When it's enabled, all you need to do is to hold the power button for around 1 second and you'll see that AI appears. We have also the Celia Translate, a pretty cool thing. We can add it into our home screen as a shortcut. You can see it right in here. And now in here you can enter the text that you want to translate. Above, we have the language from which we are translating into, and in here we have the language that we want to translate to. So you can of course use the voice commands. Now I will say something in English and it should be changed into Spanish, so let's try to do it. Hello, how are you? And you can see that everything works. Next to it, we have face-to-face translation. It's really cool, for example, when you are in a foreign country and you're speaking with a person who doesn't know English. So you can select your language as English and you can select the second language as Espanol, for example. And when you'll be talking to that person, it will be translated into Spanish, and that person can also use this button, say in Spanish, and you'll get an answer in English. So it's really useful. Okay, but let me show you that things that we can do using the Celia. So for example, let's try to remotely set an alarm. Hey Celia.
Hey.
Set an alarm at 4 p.m. Alright, it says that it has been set. And you can see that 4 p.m. alarm has been successfully set. So it worked just like it should. We can also, for example, ask about the weather. So let's do it. Hey Celia.
Hey.
What's the weather in Sydney right now? And we have our answer. So everything worked just like it should. Now, let's go back into the settings. And for example, into the AI lens. It allows us to simply scan the QR codes and the barcodes. Pretty useful thing. To do it, you can use your camera simply and click on that button to use the code scanner. And in here also we have the translation. If you see some text, you can select into which language you would like to translate it from that list. Simply place the camera, add that text, and it will be translated. Okay, next thing is the AI touch. We can see the feature description. Hold 2 fingers on the screen to read QR codes and more. Now I'll show you how to launch it. Let's say that Currently it won't work because I don't have any QR codes on this page, but if there would be some, all you need to do is to hold the screen using 2 fingers, and here you would see your result. If there would be some QR codes, they will be scanned. So that's how it works. Really easy thing. I'm sure that you can handle it. Next thing is the AI tips. If they are enabled, you'll get some smart reminders. If you click on the top right corner, you can see the history. Currently it's refreshing, so it might take a little bit. Alright, let's actually skip this because it doesn't want to launch. Basically, when this feature is enabled, you'll see simply on the screen some AI suggestions what you can do. The phone will suggest you that. Pretty easy thing. And we have the AI search. We have the suggested apps and search history that we can enable. We have the search scope. We can enable that for calendar, contacts, email files, Notepad Optimizer, and the settings. We can also add the widget into our home screen, so we'll be able to quickly launch that. Let me show you how to add it. Click on Add to Home Screen. Click on Add. And it appeared right in here. So we can search for the things in our in our phone simply using that feature. Okay. That's basically all in here. Yeah. That's all that I wanted to show you when it comes to the AI features. For me, one of the best features is of course the Celia. Thanks to that, we can save some time and do some things remotely. So it's pretty useful, I would say. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.